Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics lecture series. Today we are going to discuss about objective questions of engineering graphics. The first question, what is the next size of 210 millimeter into 297 millimeter in drawing papers? The four options given. In engineering graphics, the standard sizes of drawing sheets are A0, and A1, A2, A3, A4. The A4 size 210 mm into 297 mm. The A3 size 297 mm into 420 mm. A2 size 420 mm into 594. A1 size 594 mm into 841 mm. A0 size 841 mm into 1189 mm. These are the standard sizes of drawing sheets. In first question, the next size of 210 mm into 297 mm. So next size to 210, 297, the given size is A4 size. The given size is A4 given. So the next size is A3, 297 into 420. So the answer B. For first question, the answer is B. 297 into 420 mm. Okay, the answer is B. Two 97 into 420 mm is answer. Okay. Second question. The grades become according to the figure placed in front of the letter B, 2B, 3B, 4B. The choice is harder, lighter, darker, soft. In engineering drawing, pencils are made in many grades. The HB grade represents medium soft. HB pencil, medium soft. H2H, 3H, H2H, 3H represents Degree of hardness in an increasing order. Degree of hardness in increasing order. B, 2B, 3B, B, 2B, 3B, etc. represents degree of softness in an increasing order. Okay. So as per our question, the grade becomes softer according to the figure placed in front of the letter B, 2B, 3B, 4B. So the answer is D, softer. D is the answer. So the next question, which is the most common tool used for drawing circles? It's a simple question. French curve only used to for draw the irregular curves. Mini drafter used to draw horizontal vertical line and marking angles. Divider is used to divide the line and marking the lines. So compass used to draw the circles. So third question, the answer is D. Compass. Next, fourth question, which of the following grades of leads is the hardest? Option 6B, 5H, H4B, 6H. Hardest means the H symbol represents hardest. So maximum 6 available. So 6H is the hardest grade of lead. Softest grade represented by 6B. So hardest 6H, hardest grade of the lead. So answer is D for fourth question. Answer D. Hardest 6H. Suppose the same question, which is the softest one, 6B answer. But in this question, which is the hardest, so 6H, D is the answer. Next, fifth question. For marking angles, which of the following drawing tool is used? For marking angle. So the option protractor, divider, compass, French curve. So protractor is used to mark the angles. So divider, divide the line and measure the line. Compass used to draw the circle, arc, etc. French curve, so it is used to draw the irregular curves. So the answer for fifth question, A, protractor. Sixth question, the preferred size of the drawing sheets is recommended by the option BAS, ASME, ASTM, NIST. The BAS means Bureau of Indian Standards. ASME means American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASTM means American Society for Testing and Materials. NIST means National Institute of Standards and Technology. The correct answer is Bureau of Indian Standards, BAS. Sixth answer for sixth question, A, BAS. Next question, which of the following is reducing scale? The option 10:1, 10:2, 0.5:1, 2:1. The correct answer is 0.5:1 is the reducing scale. Normally it is also be represented as 1:2. So the answer for 7th question, option C, 0.5:1. The remaining all increasing scale, 10:1, 10:2, 2:1, all increasing scale. The reducing scale is 0.5:1, option C. Next question. What is the standard length and width of the arrowhead of dimension line? The arrowhead generally represented by 1:3 ratio. The base 1 unit means the length 3 unit. The base 1 unit means the length 3 unit. So as per the question, length and width. So length 3, width 1. So option B is correct. For 8th question, option B is correct. 3 and 1 mm. 9th question, which are the two systems of placing dimensions? In engineering drawing, there are two dimension system available. One is aligned dimensioning system. Another one is unidirectional dimensioning system. Unidirectional dimensioning system. In aligned dimensioning system, for example, take a rectangle bar. Bottom to top above the dimension line. The dimension represents bottom to top above the dimension line. And right to left above the dimension line. Right to left above the dimension line. Right to left above the dimension. In unidirectional dimension system, break the dimension line at the middle and represent the dimension. At the middle, break the dimension line and represent the dimension. Okay. The question is, which are the two systems of placing dimensions? So aligned system and unidirectional, 1 and 3. So answer is B, 1 and 3. Option B is correct. For the 9th question, option B is correct. 1 and 3. Next question. In unidirectional system, the dimensions are, in unidirectional system, the dimension is placed middle of the dimension line. So placed by breaking the dimension line in the middle. So option C is correct for 10th question. Okay, students, we will meet in next class. If you like this video, please share and like and share to your friends. Thank you very much.